Welcome to the PLA tutorial series. In this video we will discuss how you activate your PLA license. Activating a PLA license is a three-step procedure. First, you create a customer-to-vendor file with information about your hardware. We will use this file to provide you with a specific license file. Second, you install this file in the system to be licensed. And third, you refresh your information package to complete the licensing procedure. PLA can be licensed to a single computer or computer that acts as a license server. The steps shown in this video work for both cases. If you set up PLA licensing through a license server, you need to perform Step 1 and 2 of the licensing procedure on the PLA license server, and Step 3 on a computer running PLA. To license PLA, you need to run the setup of the PLA license system, which you can download from biosa.de/software. Before you start, make sure you have permissions to install programs. An internet connection is recommended, but not required. Note: if you want to set up a license server, make sure the server and computers running PLA are connected via LAN, and port 1947 is open for TCP and UDP connections on all systems. Execute the PLA license system setup as an administrator, and perform the following steps. Please read and accept the license agreement to proceed with the setup. The setup created two desktop icons, one for the PLA License Key Manager and one for the PLA License Control Center. By default, the PLA License Key Manager, which we will use now, will start after finishing this setup. The PLA License Control Center will be used later in this video. Here, to create a customer-to-vendor file, select installation of a new protection key. Confirm this by clicking Collect Information. Navigate to the directory where you want to save the file. Please enter your company name as file name, so we can better relate the file to you. Please send an email with the created C2V file attached to sales@biosa.de. After we have received it, we will send you an email with an attached vendor to customer file. In the second step, you install this file on the computer you want to license. If you set up PLA licensing through a license server, perform this step on the server, not the computers running PLA. After you have received the email from our sales team, open it and save the vendor to customer file attached to it. We start the PLA License Control Center by double-clicking the desktop icon. Here you can see, your computer is not licensed yet. Therefore you need the vendor to customer file you have received from us. To license your computer, go to your desktop and start the PLA License Key Manager. Here, switch to the Apply License File tab, and open the File Selection dialog by clicking on the button in the lower right corner. Navigate to the directory where you have saved the vendor to customer file, select it, and click Open. Now click Apply Update. Next, return to the PLA License Control Center. You can see that a new entry corresponding to your license is displayed. Please keep in mind that you have applied the license file to a specific computer. For future changes to this computer's hardware or operating system, you will have to temporarily transfer this license to another computer. License keys are distributed employing an information package. In the third step, you refresh your information package to complete the licensing procedure. If you set up PLA licensing through a license server, perform this step on a computer running PLA, not the server. When you start PLA, a registration dialog may get displayed. Please fill in the form so we can inform you about urgent matters that require updates of the PLA system. If you have a database and an active internet connection, simply log in to the database. PLA automatically tries to refresh the information package containing your license keys. Without database or internet connection, open Refresh Information Package from the Tools menu of the Login dialog. If you want to know more about creating a database, watch our video or consult our guide on this topic. With an active internet connection, simply confirm this dialog to refresh the information package. Otherwise, on a computer with an active internet connection, visit biosa.de to access your information package and make it available on the computer running PLA. In the Refresh Information Package dialog, select Refresh from a file. Then click the ellipsis to open a file selection dialog. Navigate to the directory where you have saved the information package, select it, and click Open. Confirm the Refresh Information Package dialog. You now successfully licensed your PLA installation. To start working with PLA, you need to connect to a database. Create a new database or update a database from an older PLA version using Database Management from the Tools menu of the Login dialog. Note: when you have multiple computers running PLA, the information package can be distributed between them when they connect to the same database. If you want to know more about setting up PLA, please consult our guides on planning, installation, and licensing.